Journey begins with millions of acres of harvested golden wheat. Impurities are removed to ensure pure texture in every bite. Steel rollers gently crush the kernel to unlock its potential. This fine powder becomes the foundation of our daily staple. Precision is key. Even a gram changes the final loaf. Purified water hydrates the starch to activate the yeast. Live yeast wakes up to breathe life into the dough. The giant spiral mixer prepares to blend the universe of taste. Friction and folding build the gluten network essential for lift. Strength develops as proteins link together under pressure. Bulk dough now moves to rest before being divided. A brief rest allows stress in the gluten to subside. One giant mass becomes thousands of individual portions. Compression aerates evenly before splitting the weight. Precise weights are calculated within milliseconds. Every unit is weighed to guarantee uniform consumer experience. Rounding seals the surface for a tight internal pressure. Humidity prevents the delicate skin from drying out. Gentle handling maintains the structure built so far. Vacuum pressure removes excess air pockets from the base. Elongation directs the gas to rise vertically in the oven.
Each loaf finds its home in the heated pans.
Warmth awakens the yeast for the final expansion. Biological chemistry creates volume and airy texture.
Human eyes verify the perfect rise before firing.
Extreme heat locks the flavor and initiates the crust. Initial heat sets the structure of the crumb instantly.
Maillard reaction brings the golden color and aroma.
Deep browning completes the flavor profile complexity.
Internal moisture cooks the heart of the loaf completely.
Emerging from the fire, they must be cooled immediately. Steam carries away excess heat to stop cooking. Controlled airflow stabilizes the texture and reduces moisture.
The bottom crust releases easily once cooled.
Gravity assists the removal for seamless transfer. Even cooling ensures consistent moisture content. A whisper of oil keeps the crust tender for days. Softening prevents hard shards during the slicing phase.
Alignment guarantees symmetrical slices of equal width.
High-speed steel meets the soft interior of the bread. Uniform slices allow for easy consumption.
Flexibility shows the proper hydration of the crumb.
Stacking organizes the chaos for rapid bagging. Polyethylene film provides a barrier against air and moisture. Protection begins the moment the loaf enters the package. Heat bonding ensures the freshness seal holds tight. Individual units are separated for distribution.
Radiation scans detect any foreign objects hidden inside.
Traceability tracks every loaf from factory to shelf.
Groups are boxed to protect against transit damage.
Seals reinforce the integrity of the transport case. Buffering synchronizes the flow to the robotic loader. Automation builds stable towers for storage. Foundation layers must be perfectly square. Cross-stacking distributes weight evenly. Load capacity limit reached for optimal logistics. Plastic wrapping secures the entire load together. Heat contracts the film to bind the boxes tightly.
Unitized goods are now ready for transport.
Heavy machinery handles the bulk for shipping. Goods board the vessel for long-distance journeys. Density determines fuel efficiency across the ocean. Sealed environments protect food from external elements. Distribution networks connect production to consumers. Speed and reliability deliver freshness on time. Regional hubs break bulk for local delivery. Intelligent sorting routes products to specific stores. The final mile is handled by dedicated drivers.
Stock levels monitored to prevent shortages.
Presentation invites the customer to select fresh product.
all of that. Tactile quality checks convince the buyer.
Transaction records the exchange for ownership.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Service completes the cycle of trust.
At home, the bread becomes a meal.
From wheat to warmth, serving the world daily.